Make this the year you stop wasting hours on content. Many small business owners spend hours designing posts from scratch. It's exhausting and inconsistent. Let's be honest, doing this manually is a huge time drain. That's hours you could spend on your business or with your family. The solution? Canva Bulk Create. Let's say you own a café and want to turn your testimonials into a month of social media content, but you only have about an hour on a Sunday. Here's exactly how you'd use Canva Bulk Create. First, choose a social media template that's already on brand. Next, head to the Apps section in Canva and search for Bulk Create. If you've used it before, you'll see it in the left-hand part of the editor. Once it opens, click Enter Data manually. Before you do anything else, make sure you've prepared your content separately. Your testimonials, names, and any relevant images should already be ready to go. Now create 3 columns, one for the testimonial text, one for the name, and one for the image. Copy and paste your data into each column. Then, select the text and image elements in your template and connect them to the correct data fields. Once everything is linked, click Continue, then Create Designs, and Canva will automatically create a new design for each testimonial. And just like that, you've created multiple testimonial posts in one go. Bonus tip: you can also use Resize to instantly turn these designs into other formats like Reels, Stories, or Pinterest pins. And just like that, you have consistent, polished content, ready for all platforms in seconds. No stress, no extra hours. You can use this strategy to create other types of content, like product launch posts or sale posts. Start the new year with a content system, not chaos. Save this video and set up your Bulk Create system today. Like and subscribe for more Canva hacks for small business owners.